Majesty, the Queen.
Her Majesty, the Queen, Royal Highness.
Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make these earrings. I call them Dreamcatcher or jellyfish. I mean, you can call them whatever you want to call them, but I call them Dreamcatcher. So if you want them, subscribe, like the video, and share. And I'm giving them away, so if you want them, you know what to do. You're going to need it's only, you don't have to sew this one. You're going to need the glue gun, glue sticks, the earrings, of course, scraps, more scraps, and a scissor. Now you need a scissor because we're going to be making cards. So to get started, like, I don't need the fabric will help, but ain't nobody got time for that. The first step is you're going to cut your fabric to cover the earrings first. That's big. So I want to cut this in half. Let's use this too to cover up the earrings. Just go to on this one and like that. Get your glue gun. Wrap it around. You can keep applying glue or you can just wrap it around. So now you do the other one. So now your earrings are ready. So you go ahead and cut your strips for the earrings.
Classic, baby, and ain't nobody else.
You can put one fabric or as many fabrics as you want. And then they don't have to really be the same length, or they can be the same length. It's up to you. Take a strip, take it, and then you like make sure it's the same. Then you just glue it. It can be this long, this short, this long, like it doesn't matter. I'm going to do the other one the same way I did this one, and then we see how they look. Now the earrings are done, I'm going to wear them and see how they look. Thank you for watching. Bye.